but not video. We are here to torture my friends, right?
Wait, what?
Right.
Hey, say that again?
We are back here torturing my friends, right?
Okay, I'm taking this.
List it. Take it. Driving in my car right after.
As you go, what? Okay, but as you guys can see, we started this run a bit earlier, so yeah.
Traveling in my car
Yeah.
right after Ravi, and also the road is to the limited. Here is the file that the file stored from Mr. Beast. Give me some money.
Thinking.
Mr. Beast, give me some money. Mr. Beast.
Did you have?
I'm rich.
Okay.
Golf is this grandma's face? Grandma, take this. You heard that right? Something strange about the comma, I swear. What's she doing, bruh?
Chillin'.
Long time. Ow!
That's what you get.
Shoot, bro. Whoa, nothing stairs out there.
Okay, so what's the?
I see nothing stairs.
Dude. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go give this money.
Let's pay our taxes.
Oh yeah, and I'm gonna try to kill the monster by just without weapons.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Move! We got work to do!
Mr. Beast, give me some money. Mr. Beast, give me some money. Fish areas out here.
Dude, that was worth something.
And I made it worthless and I'm happy at it. I love myself worthless. Since I'm worthless. Yeah. Mr. Beast, give me some money. god.
What happened? What happened?
Oh my gosh. I'm getting my car right after that. Shit. 5 minutes. Wait. Oil. Dad, I still can make the ball.
Sword fight! You asked for this. Goodbye! Oh wait, that was an axe. Okay, hammer. Just get this oil out! That's your job. You're not the...
Sit down for a long time. And I may be trapped by the den. Let's hope not so.
What? What? Oh look, a new friend is joining. Definitely not this lying.
Yeah, but tough. They're not lying. Stay with
Dude? Hey, dude. Is this normal?
And sometimes yes, but
Yeah. I can't jump, but yeah. Hey dude, you like uranium?
No, I'm not nitrate. I'm not nitrate. Dorp? Is that a dog? Ah! I'm scared of dogs. I'm scared of dogs. I'm scared. Is it safe?
Yeah, it's now going.
You sure?
Yeah.
Phew.
Do you have dog phobia?
Bro, I'm just scared of dogs.
But why?
They scare me. Bro, you're not super.
What?
No! Steve! Run for my life! Alright, we're first. Larry, I secret.
Hey monster! You are the stupid
Alright, stay with Larry.
monster! You are so stupid! Why you fail?
No! I dodged! Run, 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 run. Dodge, go away from me. Dodge, go away from me. Roll from stair, guys. Roll. I'm sure not 100% still. You failure. Or says she Fortnite in my rooms. Gulp, they're in here now. This didn't have to share with if the monsters that are there. Did guys you hear that right? Long time no see, mates. What's up, long time no see?
Why am I in a car? I'm not a shopping grocery.
Go to promote it.
I'm stealing the car. Okay, so if we have 10k and divide that by 2, it's 5k each.
Run hard, run over.
Stop around.
Let's go to the place. Give it to me. Don't step on it. Don't step on it. Don't step on it.
Dude, I want to get up!
Be patient! I have learned the dark side. Yo, here, take this and this. Here are some grenades, so you can buy. We got some grenades. Where are they? So we got something else. Oh, we can buy some later.
Yeah, there's yeah, good idea because this will stun them, and then they die because we're too. Oh, wait, what, dude? Take the 2 cards. Wait, there's 2 cards here. Wait, what? 46. One is cheaper than another. This one is 1k cheaper than this one.
That's so useful.
Wait, look at this. Wait a minute.
Little Timmy, what do you want from the shopping?
Ah. I'm loading.
You can take the boat. No, that's not that boat.
I definitely didn't almost explode it. What? I'm gonna kill the monsters because why not? Wait, what? I don't know duck, but I do like ducks.
I like ducks.
Going through the endless tunnel.
Går det konstigt ut? Here, don't hold nothing with artillery. Don't use the grenade. Just jump on it. Just jump on it. Oh my god! Wait, what?
What?
We killed it. I sacrificed myself for you. I killed myself for you.
What?
Oh, my head. I killed myself for you.
And I just lost 10 HP.
Bruh. Where did he go? Never mind. Here, even you see, bruh. Where is he?
Okay.
No P.
What?
Guys, I swear to God, I'm tough. Trust. Driving in my car. Come with me. Found it. The best place ever, the
Not
bathroom.
ready.
It is in the bathroom. Really cinema place.
we're not ready! We're not ready! We're searching for as much money possible.
Who's targeting that? Somewhere? See people have subscribed in 1 week. No stuff nowadays. Come with me. I'm not gonna just trust it.
Dude, this, we can take this.
We can't take it to the full stuff.
Yeah, but we're still not done after that. Oh wait, hold it for a sec. What?
That was not my fault, brother.
Dude, the cart stick. Bro! At this point, what? Okay. So we aren't getting as much money, but it's something. Wait, we gotta get it fully in.
That was the thing I was trying to do. I feel really bad for Steve since Steve kind of hopeless.
We still have a few places more to check. One.
I don't hope that people saw what just happened. I'm actually in the top of.
Okay, come on. Okay, it's ready.
Wait a minute. Let me and regain my stamina first.
Actually, yes, same.
Yes, since after that we try to run for our life.
Dude, crouch to speed up the process. Oh, I'm almost done. Oh, okay, alright, same. Put it in!
Run.
Shh. didn't hear that. You never said that.
I said it! Here. If you hold something when that is close to you, it jumps on you and takes part and steals your health. That's the Yo, you're there. Destroy this. Destroy it. I'm just gonna be the crucial.
Oh, what's my favorite thing? Oh, wait. Yeah! Woo!
Oh! No!
That's what you get for trying to kill me.
Teacher.
Okay. I can attack!
What did I do?
You don't want to do this! Get down! If you're trying to kill me, then stay. Just stay.
I was in this kind of air with the fire.
Ah! You're trying to kill me! That's me. What?
Stay with me.
What?
I think we have shadow roll. Well, let's try then.
Why did you start another round? Aren't we done?
No. We rather just do it 2 times so that
I feel like it's gonna be like half an hour long. Goodbye. Okay. Ouch.
Don't kill yourself!
What?
Don't kill yourself! Let's roll. Stay with me. Stay with me.
Why did you kill me, dude?
That's fine. That's fine. Long time no see, Marita. Men nummer 3, de känns rädda. Bra. understand normal. Finally, that's just bad.
Why are you here? Let me out! I want to go in the cauldron!
Well, we lost them. Diamond, har jag diamonds? Över till bort. Krav. Där står min son som skall med. When it comes back, he's probably gonna stream at me very deeply. Seconds of more silence streaming of him now. Major Master of the Combat 20 and Brother of Course State. Well, since he har shaped, he's not a combat here. That's what that's. Announcements.
Hey dude, why did you throw me away?
It was not me, it was you.
No, it was you.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro, just trust. Yeah, bro, just trust. Yeah, bro, just trust.
This time, don't hit me or something.
This time, don't burn your PC off.
Oh, you told me to, dude.
I think you are a bit delusional. You in the head, man.
No, but I'm missing some mental health.
Thought that. Well, you're done starting therapy now. Bye. I said the drum started therapy, not in therapy. Well, we're done with therapy. Bye. Well, let's hope he. Oh, well,
What?
we're gonna see does is he gonna have love or not? Yo, it has been 5 years. Have a doing it.
Now I'm out.
How's the show? This is not sharing.
Okay. I'll get this for you.
I don't need it.
Okay, I'll get you some other stuff.
Why me?
Because I'm not blame for everything.
Seriously, Fortnite and my rooms. Wait, more time.
Hello? What? What happened?
I think speed is trying to hold us. We have enough. And stun needs to just stun him with the way. Even though we're stunning at this.
No.
Okay.
Ow.
Finish him. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Would you do that? Tease aside, mate.
Oh, is it for you? Okay.
And take this.
No, I thought no, it's for you, right?
No, I have 100. I have 100 HP. Yeah.
I have like that you have it. Dollar.
Let's do it, baby, let's do it. This music hits, baby. Oh my gosh. God, what was the sound? What is this? What is even this? Long time no be. LeBron! Dog, that's not long, bro. Man, can I burn it? Ah, that hurts. But I'm not headed towards. Keep it from me. Wait, what? What? I have never seen before. Well, he's. I don't say he's too short. But I forgot he throws the bombs. Let's go after Jerry Lou monster trucks with it. Hey! Oh my gosh. Not gone. Go on there, Roy. Not enough. And I summon the.
Huh?
Oh,
Huh?
long time no see.
Radiation over there.
Huh?
You got radiation.
It's a bit, the map's a bit easier when he's still here. Okay. Still here.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
If I just get a little help, we just go. We can soon just go.
yes, sure. We could have had 188 dollars other than I remember it here. Hold it still, 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 then now there. There. Don't fall off the cliff. We are being with the back bitch. In the middle corner, by the way. So sad on this.
No! That's not good. Guys, am I in trouble? Okay, guys, what do we do now? He's not here. We are here. Can you guys please like and subscribe? If you did, then thank you.